Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix build your store AI domain not verified on Shopify. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store and you're getting that issue that says fix your build your store AI domain not verified, well, there are a few things you could try. So first is you want to make sure that your domain is properly set up. So usually you want to go to your settings here. So at the bottom left, go click on settings. And under settings, you want to go and click on the domains option. And in here, you should be able to see your domain. So when you click on it, you should be able to see the full details about it and set it up. But the thing with this one is sometimes you may haven't entered the incorrect details when you're setting this up. So if that's the case, what you need to do is you can go and access your domain. Usually in here, you should see the delete button. Go ahead and delete your domain here and just start re-adding it or reconnecting it in here. Now, depending on what provider you're using, the steps might be different, but usually you just need to either use name servers or even, like, for example, add records, DNS records into the specific domain. Now, once you've added that, another thing that you need to consider is sometimes the changes or the connection process may take around 24 to 48 hours. So usually, once you've connected, just wait for it for a few for 2 days, and once 2 days up, you can go and check and see if that solves your issue. And also sometimes when you're connecting domains, it might ask you, or it may send you an email here that says verification or something similar to that. So you just need to go ahead and click on the appropriate email that you be getting here and basically verify your account or your connection here if they require that. And also, what you could also do here is you may want to uninstall some apps here. So, for example, you just recently installed an app and this issue pop up. You could go ahead and click on Apps and Sales Channel, and from here, look for the app that you just recently downloaded and click on the three dotted option here to uninstall the actual. Once you've uninstalled that, you can go ahead and basically see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So those are things that you can try doing here. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.